Alright guys, construction update. It is Friday, March 8th, 2019. Construction updates for The Secret Life of Pets and construction updates for Jurassic World, formerly Jurassic Park, coming up. So unlike Disneyland, Universal Studios has no problem letting you know that there's construction going on. So I-beams are up, pan decking is up. We got all kinds of activity going on. Scaffolding down the way. You see an iron worker doing his thing. I see a lot of banging. They're probably putting, the sheet metal's going in up top. It's actually called pan decking, so they'll put concrete on that flooring there. I'm assuming this floor will have a concrete finish as well. But it looks like they're still a ways away on that. A little Irish whiskey never hurt anybody. So just past the restrooms, it's cut off. Got a little bit of construction going on. Like I said before, they're installing pan decking. The silver metal, you can see a little bit of the hot work going on right there. Flashing, welding those plates on together. And then those little holes will let them be filled in with rivets. And sometime after it passes inspection, they'll pour concrete on there and there'll be one big slab on the second or third floor on what it is they got going on. Alright, so we're looking at the backside of Jurassic World, which is non-operational right now. To the right, we got the escalators. To the left is all the construction going on. Let's zoom in tight. They're drilling piles there. That's a pile driver next to that 90-ton crane. It looks like they got pillars going over here, so that's going to be a structure. Dirt mounds. I'm just moving dirt around to backfill. It's too early to call what it is that they're actually doing. This area here, right about there, that's going to be one building, if I had to say. Got the tower crane. Yeah, I don't know. Leave a comment if you got any ideas what's going on here. I know for sure they're drilling piles. They're going in 20, maybe 40, maybe even 60 feet down until they hit bedrock. That's gonna give these stability in case of earthquakes and things like that. Here we see the water completely drained. Working on the tracks, even the cafe. You see Bobcat and skid loader putting the dirt around. Hopefully a Jurassic Park sign stays. It's kind of iconic. I'm sure go ahead and change it to Jurassic World, but hopefully the sign itself is strong. And then we got the tower crane to make the pits, things like that. We got the columns and pillars. There's rumors that's going to be, they're going to incorporate that into with Nintendo and partner with Nintendo to do some kind of something. So a quick update on the side of the Jurassic World building. You see all the scaffolding it's not completely gone, it's still there, but it is down off the facade of the building. And then, bam, look at that. That's just awesome. I should have had this when the ride first opened for Jurassic Park. Shaded and molded. And then right down here where they do the raptor encounter, all that part is still kind of the same. But they're changing some stuff around here. You see mini excavators and they're digging ditches, probably hooking up electrical and things like that. The water's completely drained. Sorry about the sun glare, guys. Yeah, sorry about this one, guys. It came right at sunset. But the Outfitters is shut down. We got Bobcats and mini excavators moving dirt. Like I said, I really hope that this doesn't go away. Change it to Jurassic World, that's fine, but don't take it away. That's just wrong. All the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Instead of having the theme song to Jurassic Park, we got JT. Alright, so that's going to do it for the update on the Universal Studios construction. Jurassic World is set to open up sometime in the summer, so be ready for that one when it comes up. There's still no date on the Secret Life of Pets, but just keep popping in. Give us a like, give us a follow, share this with a friend. Turn on that notification button if you like what we're doing here at the Wolfpack. Deuces.